Good morning. My name is Patrick Kenny, and I lead the National Ambient Air Quality Unit in the Environmental Protection Agency. I'm going to talk to you today briefly about air quality in Ireland in 2019, our implementation of the National Ambient Air Quality Monitoring Programme, and our new air quality dashboard. We launched our report, Air Quality in Ireland 2019, on World Lung Day, the 25th of September. What this report found was that while overall air quality in Ireland in 2019 was good, there were some very worrying localised issues. Firstly, we exceeded the European Union's limit value for the pollutant nitrogen dioxide at the St John's Road West monitoring station in Dublin. The dominant source of this pollutant is traffic. Secondly, right across Ireland, 33 monitoring stations were above the World Health Organization's guideline values. The dominant pollutant leading to these 33 stations being above the guideline values was PM 2.5. Very fine particulates in our air. The dominant source of this pollutant is domestic solid fuel heating. The latest figures from the European Environment Agency, as reported in the report Air Quality in Ireland, for premature deaths in Ireland due to poor air quality is 1,300. Again, the pollutant leading to the majority of these premature deaths is PM 2.5, very fine particulates in our air. In 2019, there were also 4 stations above the European Environment Agency's reference level for polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, with again a dominant source of solid fuel heating. The report's available on the EPA website at www.epa.ie, and also in the report, we took a look at PM 2.5 average concentrations by time of day in Enniscorthy and Letterkenny. What the graph that you can see on screen is clearly showing that as we move towards the evening time and people start to use their solid fuel heating systems, we see the concentrations in these 2 towns of this very fine particulate pollutant starting to rise, well above and in excess of the World Health Organization's guideline value. Again, showing that link between domestic heating and time of day and this particular pollutant. Throughout 2019, the EPA continued to roll out new stations as part of its implementation of the National Ambient Air Quality Monitoring Programme, with 24 stations newly available online in 2019. So far, in 2020, there are 14 stations newly available. This means as of today, there are now 84 stations available to the Irish public providing air quality information, and that compares to 29 stations when we started this programme in 2017. And we're currently heading for 107 stations by the time we complete the programme. And a map on the left-hand side of the slide shows the new layout of our monitoring network with those new stations. I'm going to finish by showing a screenshot of our new air quality dashboard. This new dashboard was also made available for World Lung Day, the 25th of September, and it provides enhanced graphics and enhanced functionality to improve the look and feel and accessibility of the data on the dashboard. When you now click on an individual station, it will bring you into screens where you will have dynamic graphing, where you can go backwards in time to take a look at the pollutant concentrations. It also provides functionality where you can download the data for individual pollutants as Excel files, and there's other enhanced functionality to improve the overall look and feel of the dashboard and the air quality index for health. If you have any questions following on from my talk, please do use the app and we will get to those questions at the end of this session. Thank you for your attention.